So what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone airdrop not working. It's stuck on waiting, and after that it's showing decline files. If you are also facing that kind of issue in your iPhone, then keep watching full video. After that you can easily fix that issue. It appears on latest iOS 17.2 update. So let's start video without wasting any time, and firstly check the update. You can see appears on screen. This is iPhone XS and right now it's running on iOS 17.2. Okay, open iPhone settings app. Okay, tap on general, tap on software update. As you can see, it's showing iOS 17.2 latest update. Okay, now go back and select any atom that you want to share right now. Select any atom. Suppose right now I'm selecting this kind of atom. Tap on share, tap on airdrop, and it will stuck, and after that it's showing this line. You can see a person screen, it's taking time and it's showing waiting, but after that it's showing this line and not sending any file. Okay, you can see a person screen, it's showing here this line. Just tap on done. Okay, go back and open iPhone settings, tap on general, scroll down, tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Okay, tap on reset, and you can see a person screen reset network setting. Tap on that, enter phone passcode and reset network setting on your iPhone. Okay, if that method not working for you, then move to the next solution. The next solution is forced to restart your iPhone. Okay, press volume up button, then press volume down button and press the power button until you see the Apple logo appears on your iPhone screen and your iPhone is forced to restart. Okay, if that method is also not working for you, then move to the last solution. The last solution is open iPhone settings, tap on Apple ID, scroll down, tap on sign out and sign out your Apple ID, and then sign in again and try to transfer your iPhone files. Okay, it will 100% fix when you sign out your Apple ID. So friends, after watching this video, I hope you will all know how to fix iPhone airdrop not working. It's stuck on waiting, and after that it's showing this line. This happened in iOS 17.2 latest iOS update. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.